Yes, what is wrong with this order? Tell us. No, that is not what they are saying. We don't know how you have gathered this impression from the impugned order. So that is why we are saying what is wrong. Tell us why they should not do this. Why it should be accepted even if it is after the last date of submission of 21st March 24. Then don't give it. Then don't give it. Why are you required to give it? Just leave it aside. Let them consider your candidature without it. Something which is not required, why should you contest for that? Now come to the advertisement. Yes. Yes, we have got it. What is this chance certificate? Where is this? Page 35. What is this chance certificate? That's what how many chance he has taken for his graduation? Graduation. On a candidacy, paragraph 2, then attempt chance certificate is no separate field or uploaded attempt candidate need to upload marks certificate the character for the home council winner. And what is the effect of the chance certificate? The effect is if somebody cleared the degree in a one chance, he will get first paper. If he get 3 chances, then candidature would be lesser. His assessment or points is goes down. But if somebody clears the degree in one chance, he is better candidate. If he gets 2 or 3 chances, then one of the lower category. No, where is the effect indicated in the advertisement? Can you see the advertisement? And the additional attempt to be evaluated. Have you also got it? Mark criteria for qualification. Allotted marks 70, experience 15, interview 15, 10. Additional attempt to be evaluated. He is coming on with this mistake. Oh, so for every additional attempt, there is a reduction in the marks. In that.
Yeah.
So what is the date of your What is the date of your completing the bachelor degree? Then why do you want to give a chance certificate of after March 24? Only date of the chance certificate is late. You have appeared prior thereto. They are considered the issue of the chance certificate. That is, yes, because it is after 20. Yes, did you file a reply before the tribunal? No. Do it quick. Yes, the item number 5 has completed the degree in time. The certificate was issued at the beginning. From 9th of January, thereafter 2020, my salary was picked up and temporarily continues on a basis of complaint. I was not being suspended, I was not being on the basis of a complaint. On that basis, Father, I went to administrative practice. You are a regular employee. I'm a regular Khalasi. And in the year of 1989, I was appointed. And since when your salary was stopped? Since when your salary was stopped? From 9th of January 2020. Yes. Thereafter, that was before the division bench, the matter was being taken. But the order was passed by the judicial method. That is to join the service and to give out the back wages. So thereafter, my lord, the state had come out with a WC, ST money. There, Honorable Justice, please stand the division bench decided by That's it. Right? That was taken, and a prima facie, he did not find any stay to the charge. Stay was never taken. Thereafter, they had answered, the state has answered. We have answered for an opposition. That was done. In the meantime, when the determination changed, it went to the division bench of honorable person. They went to the person. The state made out a statement there. As per section 5, subsection 6 of the administrative tribunal, a single bench judicial member. But already that was decided by the honorable bench of administrative tribunal, where a notification has been issued under section 5 of the administrative tribunal. It can be heard by any member. That was being taken into account, but because of that commission by the state, it was being transferred to the state administration. Again for the remand back and to complete within the 6 months. All the things to be done within the 6 months. 6 months went into. In the meantime, we find out the review also. Review was called upon, but they said, since the matter is being pending before the administrative tribunal, let that be taken in a fast mode. So that was being taken. Now what has happened for last another 1.5 years? We are still waiting, bench is not there. So we had come up here, already that came up to the finality. When it was finally, it was decided by the judicial member of the administrative tribunal, where to join the service and get the back wages along with the to be established again, because that was a temporary discussion. That was the order that was followed. Now we have come out when the administrative tribunal is not there, but let the matter be decided by your council. You said that already the single bench of the tribunal directed for reinstatement of payment of wages. Then what remains? But that order has been set aside by the set aside. They came back to the Calcutta High Court first. They came back to the age 86. So it was set aside. Yeah. That dropped up till 5 subsection 6. So what happened after that? That was a final application for you. After 1 year, they withdraw the review. So therefore, it is pending before the tribunal under orders of this court. It is pending before the tribunal. I come to page number 131 of the review. 94 order of the this court is the review. Page number 131 of the review. An honorable judge starts order at 160 months, where the state gave out for us challenging the order of the administrative tribunal. 160 months can be taken. Yes, what is your case?
Let me give any answer. Correct answer. According to the original certificate, his date of birth 9 January 1956. But he is obtained submitted for the certificate of 11 September 1960. It was found by anybody. That was the order of the disorder.
Very well. Keep discussing amongst yourself. Very well.
Challenge at each point of time.
Yes.
Third, 2016.
Where is the finding of guilt? Where is the finding of charge being proved? Did you proceed against him? Huh? 13.
Okay. Now, in the meantime, when this order was passed, the meantime we opposed the tribunal.
No. Therefore, we are asking you.
37 is the final. Initially, temporary suspension, then
So where is the, just because somebody thinks there is a discrepancy, you stop his salary?
no, but in the meantime, what happened? After the order was passed, we have decided to initiate a proceeding because he
After withholding his salary?
no,
After discontinuing, what you will proceed for? What is the purpose of proceeding once you have already stopped the salary and discontinued it? After dismissing him, you will take up the what? No. What kind of procedure you are adopting? We don't know how you are trying to justify this.
The page 47, 47. Yes.
You are interested in paying him arrears, that means. Perhaps there is someone working with him. You want to pay him arrears without work, obviously. You pay him then. How you can stop someone from a regular employee from working just because you think there is a discrepancy? Sir, who has determined this? Where is the determination?
Page 32.
What 32? It's nothing. You can write anything.
But in this petition, not all in the tribunal, we have not filed in opposition.
There is nothing in the matter. This is an unsustainable order. How can you pass such an order? I have seen his certificate. There is a variation in the report. Therefore, stop his salary, stop his work. Wonderful.
But assuming for a moment, I am wrong. Page 47 for a moment. His data.
Did you proceed against him by a charge memo? Is he a regular employee, first of all? Is he a regular employee? Now he is a regular employee. Without proceeding against him, can you stop his salary? Under which provision? Show us. He may be the biggest dishonest person on the earth according to you. But can you proceed against him without a finding of guilt?
That will be decided.
That is what we are asking you. There is nothing else. What will be decided?
What you have to say, it will be decided by the Supreme.
No, we are taking it up. Why should we wait for the tribunal to come back? He is going without salary.
But I will allow us to file an affidavit to this application.
You pay him salary first.
He has been retired in 2016.
Huh?
He retired in 2016. So date of birth is 15.
mentioned that came into on. He retired in 16.
2006.
And when did he file the OA?
When filed in 2020.
Oh my God.
That's an order.
That means you know that there is discrepancy in your date of birth. The only irresistible conclusion.
Oh my God, they came out with a false conclusion.
Yes. We can see your bona fides.
It can be seen.
Nothing. Your OA was fit to be dismissed. Your OA should have been dismissed. Why they have proceeded with the OA, we don't know. Where is your OA? Show us the OA, copy of your OA.
OA starts from 130. You from 130. From 130.
This is the OA pending now.
160.
Nothing can be taken. Your matter is pending before the tribunal, that's all. Everything is wiped off. You know it very well. Yes, sir.
My certificate is there. I should have come up with a certificate.
No, not at all. You will come up now with nothing after such a delay.
But it's a false allegation.
Yes, we don't.
It's a discontinue that is still.
Nothing can be done for you, sir. Sorry. Where is the relief prayed for in the OA?
Section 3, 155.
Relief. Where is the relief?
151. On the basis of a complaint by a first person and outsider, an allegation came into and of a sudden a notice was issued, you discontinue from the service. That is in 2019 December. And I was being asked to discontinue from 9th of January 2020 onward. Thereafter I came up with it. Of a sudden the things are happening. 2016, I don't know on what basis my another senior friend has said okay. Even I did not a service till 9th of January 2020. I did my service till then. Now, how could my other senior friends say from 2016 onwards? I worked for 17, 18, 19. Till what the notice they gave out 9th of January 2020, discontinued temporarily, without any allegations like that, only on the basis of a complaint, the things got been initiated. Even the findings of the OA was there, in which I was asked to join the service and get the vaccine. I want to retire 2016. Why should I have joined out till 2020? Why am I talking?
Sorry.
Certificate of given, thereafter I joined 1990, I was asked to all submit all the documents. Thereafter, the service was there. Never in any service.
He is saying that because of the discrepancy in return, he will have retired in What is the difference in the two dates of birth?
One is 9/7/1956, according to the original school register, and in the appointment affidavit before the register, that date of birth is 11 September 1960. What about failure?
You have filed an affidavit in reply before the tribunal. Then how it was decided by the single bench without
Getting that's why satisfied by Justice Bossa.
No. Earlier the single bench decided his case That was without your filing a reply.
Yeah. On several occasions, they were asked to file up the opposition matter. They did not.
Let the learned advocate for
For 4 years and salary. See this matter, my lord, I beg to appeal for the writ petitioner or also the opposite party. My lord, they are the first of all, my lord, the no copy of the my lord, the stay application or the memo of appeal has been served upon us. Yes.
Oi.
This is a change. This
you have served this application.
no application has been served.
Let application, let the copy. Sir, have you been served with the restoration or
Yes.
not? Then let us proceed with the restoration.
And also,
Yes.
my lord,
What is the restoration?
calculated by them. My lord, no, my lord, this is 108 days delay as per my calculation, my lord. Statement written in the my lord application that this is disposed of matter. This is the pending matter. The last order passed by. Because the same issue is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. That's
Yes. What is it on merits? Where is the single judge order? Where is the single judge order? What is the date? You are for the corporation.
No stay application has been served upon us. This the appeal has been heard, my lord, without serving us the application, my lord. The stay application has not. Rules of 2029 Development Officers Rules. Now, my lord, these petitioners who work as a contractual employees, being the development officers, they in total they have challenged these rules, challenging the validity of these rules. Now, my lord, this is an old issue which this rules has been challenged in all over India in various high courts. Ultimately, my lord, in 2012, once the Allahabad High Court has decided this matter, against which, my lord, an appeal was preferred before the Honorable Supreme Court. Honorable Supreme Court dismissed that appeal. Basis which, my lord, another petition was preferred before the Allahabad High Court, and ultimately, my lord, the Allahabad